Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a default freeze effect in CapCut apps. So you can tap on the project and select your videos or just photos you like to edit, and for example I'm just going to add the image, and you can just go into effect and select video back and looking for default freeze. Scroll down and you find full freeze. So where's the effect? Here and to the track, and you can click again to just for the option here. That's it. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.